Hello, grade one. How are you today? We have a new lesson today, which is about side by side symmetry. Let's see together what's the meaning of side by side symmetry. But first, we need to start with our objectives. Students will be able to developing a working concept of what it means to draw, reinforcing the principle of traditional drawing skills, developing new ways of thinking, seeing, and creating, building confidence through exercise that help you explore different mark making. At this lesson, you need to know what's the meaning of symmetrical figures, asymmetrical figures, and line of symmetry. Do you know what the word symmetry means? Symmetry means a design where both sides look the same. The lines, shapes, and colors are the same on both sides. So if you look at your picture, for example, on the airplane picture, right here, you can see that the line is straight down in the middle on this side and this side. Same with the rainbow and same with the butterfly. Symmetrical figure. Hi, here's an image of a heart. So can you fold it exactly halfway so that two have exactly similar? One half completely cover the other half. And when you can, you fold the shape in half and one half exactly completely cover other half. So we can say that shape is symmetrical and the fold line is line of symmetry. An object is symmetrical when it is exactly the same on both sides when you fold it in half. Here are some things that are symmetrical, like shapes, letters, insects, numbers. So if you look at these things on the side, so you can see an imaginary lines that show you that they are the same on both sides. Can you think of any other symmetrical object? So what about your face? Is it symmetrical like if you put an imaginary line in the middle of your face would be the same? So I need your answer when we meet again. So if I have this design I made with pattern blocks and I was told you to make a symmetrical design, that means the same. I would want to build my design like this because you can see that we have an imaginary line and the shape same on both sides, so it is symmetrical. So now let's look at this flower. It is symmetrical because if there a line in the middle, you would see the same things on the both sides. Now, let's play a small game together. Is it symmetrical? So let's check in this small box many things and you have to tell me is it symmetrical or no. Look at this snowflakes. Is it symmetrical? Yes, it is symmetrical because if you put a line on the middle, so we can see on the both sides the same things. What about this kite? Yes or no? If you put a line on the middle, so yes, we can see that we have two same sides. Let's see this jar of candy. No, because when I put a line, we can see different colors on the both sides. And this dog, if you put a line on the middle of his body, no, it's not symmetrical. But if you put a line on the middle of his face, it's symmetrical. What about this flower? Yes, it is symmetrical because if I put a line on the middle, we can see on the same both sides the same things. And now you can pause the video and you can take a few minutes to do a self check. So, can you find something around you that has a symmetrical design with lines, shapes, and colors? So, this is some example. You can check around you if you have something which is symmetrical design, and you can show me when we do a zoom together. Now, how to draw something symmetrical? If you have several butterfly here, several drawing, but they have only one half side. You have to copy the other side next to this side to obtain full butterfly. So you have a small homework to do this in your house. You can copy one of this butterfly and draw the other half. This is what you have to obtain if you copy the other half. Thank you for your listening and stay safe.